Hi folks, Ryan from the Warehouse Guys here, just showing you what to do if the piston ever comes off the ball on your Covermate 3 cover lifter. You'll see I've already removed the 3 screws connecting this arm to that on both sides, and I've slid the cover forward as to remove those together. And the next thing you're going to have to do is remove the faceplate off the side of your cover lifter so that you can remove this bolt. It'll be a 9/16 socket. Once you've done that, you'll remove that little black stopper. You'll see that's in place. That comes right out. And then now that that's out, this can fully extend. You can meet the end of the piston where the ball is. Ensure that this black band right here, if you want to get a closer look on that, make sure that that is pushed in fully. And then you simply bring it back until they snap into place. And then if it's on the side of the locking pin, make sure that's pulled in so that you can push everything down. With one hand, keep that down. With the other, you can reinsert the black stopper right there. It's a little tricky. And then you'll simply insert, make sure the bolt's still back there, and then use your ratchet to tighten everything back up. Get it call. And not too tight. And then from there, you'll see things function as they should. Everything's connected once more. And then you'll be good to reconnect the cover lifter back together with the screws. Thanks. Bye.